absolutely sure that he is the leak?
The little shit broke wide open. He confessed to everything.
Sir. Webweaver. Oh, what the fuck?
I'm sorry. Happens when I'm nervous.
You gotta be nervous. Just go on, tell him what you told me. I know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Whatever you want to know.
How does it work?
Well, there's a hole in the suit so the webs can get out.
No. How does it work with William Butcher?
Yeah, well, he comes to me. I tell him what he wants to know.
Oh, for God's sakes.
That's just embarrassing.
Just shut the fuck up. Now, one of Butcher's crew was wearing your nasty-ass suit to Tech Nights. Did you give it to him?
I'm not proud of it.
There it is.
Help me out with something here. A few weeks back, how did you know where I was meeting Victoria Newt?
Oh, look, I messed up. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't feel very good. But you ever meet this British guy? He's a liar. Fucks with your brain.
Feeble brains, maybe?
Yes, feeble. I'm all fucked up. I screwed you. I'm so sorry. I'll make you proud. I swear to God.
Oh, buddy, what am I gonna do with you? Jesus. Oh, stop.
Wait.
What?
It wasn't me.
Thank you, Firecracker.
You bet.